Hello, my name's Ian from Bathroom Brands, and today we're going to be showing you a short cleaning video on how to clean your brassware. These are the tools required for this job. So, tools required for the job today will be just normal soap and water and a soft lint-free cloth. With brassware and chrome-plated taps, things like that, you want to avoid using bleaches, bathroom sprays, anything along that kind of line, because chrome work can actually be damaged by chemicals. Some bathroom cleaners, you don't always know what chemical is in it, so it's always best just to use soap and water. So again, avoid spraying the product directly. You want to spray the cleaning with soap and water onto the cloth and clean the tap or brassware thoroughly, making sure that once you finish cleaning that you dry everything off to avoid any residues being left on the tap at all. Rinse it with normal clean water and then dry the product afterwards. Any residues left on the tap can actually cause damage to the chrome and invalidate your warranty. Thank you for watching this short cleaning video. If you need any other videos, you'll find them on our website.